Attack!
Look at the size of those fish! Check this place out. That's pretty cool. Maybe it's a Sasquatch den. Nah. Here's how you know when you're close to a geocache. When you find the mattress. The mattress to the cache. Want to jump on the mattress?
No.
No? Okay. A mattress in the middle of nowhere. Who in the world would drag a mattress into the middle of nowhere? That must have took some work. All right, let's go.
It's like the trampoline in Fortnite.
Oh, okay.
You know where you jump and then you can glide? That's what they have in Fortnite.
Oh man, how many of you can relate with Fortnite? I know, right? The cache owner never said we were gonna have to hike up a hill. Oh my gosh. Okay, we gotta keep moving. Whoa. Question.
It smells like dog poop.
It smells like dog poop. No, but really the real question is, could this be where the geocache is?
No.
No, okay, no. Let's keep moving. Okay, I'm hot and sweaty, and there's a tent right behind us, like right over there. And I can't find the geocache. I have to officially say I'm probably the worst geocacher ever. So I guess I'll log this as a DNF, and it's probably here. I just can't find it. Probably on the wrong side of the ravine. I'm on some side of it. I just got another text message saying, you can't find the geocache, can you? And the answer is no. So, I guess with that, I'll have to claim this one a DNF, which it's here. I'm sure of it. I just can't find it. What would be really funny is if it was right here. Nope. I'll look over here one more time. See what we got. Alright, here I am at the grist mill. I looked for the geocache. I'm the first big loser who didn't find it. It's already been found by 3 different geocaches in the last 2 days, and I came up nada. I'm just all sweaty and sticky and itchy, and I figured I'll just come back and try again another day. Sometimes you find them, sometimes you can't. And it's probably right in plain sight. I probably touched it 3 times, maybe 4 or 5. Oh well. With that, I'll say see you later. Hey, you know what you should do though? This is what you should do. Subscribe to my channel. It's gonna be right up over here, okay? Subscribe to it and watch and see if I make it back up to where the cache is and find it. Now I hope that tent's gone up there too. That made me a little, it was weird. Anyway, I'll see you guys later. Have a good day. Yeah, he wants to say something.
Subscribe!
Yeah, this is finding out if I find that cache in the future or not. And if I don't, that'd be a super not. Man! Okay, see ya. We're in the swimming pool.